Hey everybody, it's Craig Beckta here and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get dust off your sensor. So the first step is to see if you have any dust. So what you want to do is take your camera, put your memory card in, and then take your lens cap off, obviously. You want to shoot something solid, like a clear sky or a white piece of paper, and you want to set your camera to f/22. Now the reason for that is, when you've got a aperture like f/22 versus say f/1.4, you'll see more things on your sensor, especially when you're shooting at like a clear sky. So do that, go out, shoot clear sky, shoot a piece of paper, bring it back in, put your memory card in your computer, have a look at the image, and you should see some little specks of dust. And if you do see that, now the next step is to set your camera for cleaning. Now most cameras, I know Canon, Nikon, Sony, they have similar functions. You can set the sensor clean to go on automatically when you turn your camera off. Also, you can just spot clean it. So I'm not going to go through the settings because it depends on the camera that you have, but check out your menu. You should have a function that cleans your sensor. Now often that's not going to do it. So what you should do next is, if you have a little air thing here, this is a Giotto. And so what you do is you take your lens off and then you turn your camera down, and then obviously you have your lens off. You want to shoot some air up on your sensor and just make sure that you have the whole sensor covered. Just do that for a little bit, put your lens back on, and then go out again, shoot the sky at f/22 or the white piece of paper, whatever you did. See if you improve things. Now sometimes that works the first time. If it didn't, again you can use the sensor cleaning on your camera. Tilt your camera up, clean it, because you want to shake the dust down. You don't want it to be like this and then that's not going to do anything. Again, take your lens off, just go around the sensor area again, cleaning it, put your lens back on, take another shot, see if that improved things. Now if it didn't, then you might need some more thorough cleaning. You might want to take it to a repair facility. There's some videos on YouTube that shows you how to do it yourself. I've done it once before, but maybe if you're not comfortable, take it somewhere else. Anyway, that's my quick tip video for today. And if you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, leave a comment or question down below. And if you're into portrait photography, I have a free mini course you can get access to. There's a link in the description. Just click on that and you can get access to my free mini portrait photography training. All right, thanks for watching this video. All right, hit that like button and I'll see you in the next video.